Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. In this video, we have the biggest redfish I have ever seen. Both number one biggest redfish I ever seen and number two biggest redfish I ever seen. We're gonna post in two videos. This will be the first one. Was able to get out on the Pamlico River with my dad. It was an absolute blast. We're gonna have a few videos coming out here in the next couple weeks. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let me get this one out first. There you go. That's probably a big boy. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. He's running for open water. This is what we're here for, I think.
I think so. Let's get him in the boat so we can have a party. Oh, wow.
I'm not stopping. I'm gonna hold on and wait.
Hopefully don't pop off.
Hopefully this idiot doesn't.
Let me know if you need help.
What I'll do is yeah, we can trade off. Oh my gosh.
Wow. We can get him on. If we can get him on the boat,
I'm so glad I spooled this up with new line.
Let him wear himself out like you said.
Yeah. He's a big boy. I see why they're saying, oh, there he is. See him out there? He came up to the surface.
Yeah.
He came up right to the surface. He's about 100 yards out from our boat.
Just take your time with him. Get him in. Let's get him in.
Oh, yeah. He's he's big. I know he's big. Woo! It's a lot of weight. I got a lot of room to make. Oh, stuff to make up here.
Just take your time.
See him? See him right out there? You can see him come up to the surface.
Just let him wear him. Get tired.
Here.
He's really big.
Here, why don't you take him? Just keep it up and then reel it down. Just, yeah, keep the tip of that up. All right, we're hugged up on a big fish. We're gonna see if we can get this guy in.
Every time I make game.
I know.
What I'm gonna do. He's not a happy camper.
No, he's not. Oh man. Alright. The anticipation is killing me.
Try a little bit.
Yeah. Here.
Don't yank them too hard. Don't yank that.
Oh man.
It's that dual effort.
Sometimes that's what it takes. Sometimes that's what it takes. Don't get better than this. Sunset in the background. Oh yeah, it's a drum. 100%. 100% red. He's a big red.
Just take your time, buddy.
Got plenty of
He
line.
must be hooked pretty good.
Yeah, those big circle hooks are awesome.
How you like this spot I picked?
I know. That's funny.
Try a little bit. You get tired?
No, I'm trying to see where he's at.
He's it. He's a rock.
He's staying down too.
Don't yank too hard.
Just keep that. Yo, yes. Big red. Big red. Oh yeah. Wow. Just try to make sure he doesn't go towards the motor. All right. He might need more time to tire himself out. because they're just so powerful at this size. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Oh my goodness.
He's huge.
He is huge.
That's a big fish. Very big fish.
Let's just start the motor and drag him back.
There he is right there. Wow. Wow. Such a powerful fish.
Look at that sucker. Huge.
Woo. Oh my gosh. He is insane.
How are we going to get him in?
We'll make it work. Oh my gosh.
Hold on.
Let's just make sure we don't also flip the boat. Alright. I don't want to touch the line here. You can just get him close. And probably get his head in. You're not really.
Can you get him in?
Yeah.
Got him. Oh yeah! Oh my gosh! Holy cow! Oh my goodness!
Wow!
Oh, man.
He is huge. Holy moly! Oh my goodness!
Wasn't hooked all that deep.
Oh, that is wild.
Look at that mana. Put him where you're supposed to have him.
Here. If you do him like this on the flat, you can really see how he is. So you bend your tail a little bit like that. Hold on, let me get a.
Ooh.
That's 8 biggest fish. Biggest redfish I've ever seen in my life.
How are we gonna get it out?
Picture?
How much do you think the thing weighs? You got your scale?
I have the scale, but it's not gonna work.
It's too heavy.
Yeah. He's every bit of 47.5 inches. All right. Well, first, North Carolina bull redfish. And that's the biggest fish that we've had on the boat, right?
For sure.
Not even.
So you don't think we could even weigh it?
No, but I can get a weight on him. Oh my gosh.
Need help? What are you going to do with him?
Pick him up. Here, you want to hold the front part of his head? I don't even know if I can hold him. There you go.
Get a picture of him.
Yeah, turn around because I got the camera on.
What?
So, in North Carolina, he is ready. I can't believe that I thought that I was going to be able to land one of these things on my small reel. Like from the kayak, like if I hooked up.
He would have took you out to sea.
He would have, yeah. He would have dragged me all around. He could have dragged me for a mile around here. Easy. But this way, the lactic acid that builds up while they fight, you know, like when you work out, if you just let them go before they're revived, it can kill them because they won't have enough energy to the oxygen to get back in. So they really got to be like ready. But yeah.
I'm good.
That's what we came down for. That's what you came down for.
That was the goal.
That was it. This bad boy right here.
I mean, I don't know if I could have got that skin all by myself. I could have if I just. You want to save this?
There he goes.
Another one. You think we should start heading back? Yeah.
He's gone. Yep, he's gone. Oh wow. Yeah, what time is it? 7:37. Probably time to head back. Oh man.